I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in performance and credibility. Choose fast managed hosting, enable SSL, and install WordPress. Once done, set postname permalinks for readable URLs and activate a lightweight, accessible theme. Install an SEO plugin and configure basic settings, site title, meta defaults, and XML sitemap generation. Make sure to create a single Google Search Console property and enable automatic updates where safe. This reduces risk and keeps core SEO signals stable while you build. Now you build the site's architecture and content with intent. Map primary keywords to specific URLs and avoid keyword cannibalization. Create silos, cluster-related pages, and link internally with contextual anchor text. Implement schema JSON LD for articles, FAQ, and organization to improve SERP features. For performance, compress and serve WebP images, enable lazy loading, and activate page caching plus a CDN. Once these are live, run Lighthouse and fix top 3 issues. Speed and structured data compound SEO gains. Finish by submitting your XML sitemap and verifying the site in Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. You should connect analytics, set goal tracking for conversions, and schedule weekly audits for crawl errors, broken links, and slow pages. Monitor core web vitals and search queries to refine content. If pages disappear or rankings drop, first check indexing status, then disable recent plugins or roll back updates to isolate conflicts, and ensure robots, TXT and meta robots tags aren't blocking important pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.